If you already bought your PDF sewing pattern, jump to second 50 of this video and watch it from there. But if you're new to the world of PDF patterns, keep watching and I'll show you everything step by step. Hi, I'm Nasrin, the designer behind Needle-Eye Patterns, and in this channel I'll share all the experience I have over the years about sewing, pattern making, and fashion design. Find my patterns at needleeyepattern.com. Choose the one you like, choose your size, and add it to your cart. As soon as you check out, you'll receive an email to access your file. For printing at home, you only need to download the pattern's instructions and A4/leather files. After you click download, you can find your files in the download section on your computer. You need to open your PDF pattern in Adobe Acrobat, not in the browser. If you don't have the Adobe Acrobat, there is a link in the description that you can go find it there and download it for free. First, open the instructions to see the sizing charts and find your size. Then, open the A4 files with Adobe Acrobat. On the right side of the window, click on the hamburger menu, which opens the layers for each size. You can click on the eye icon next to each size to turn off the sizes you don't need to print and only keep your own size on. Now click on Print. You want to make sure it's on actual size and auto. But first, only print the first page in order to make sure the dimensions are correct. On the first page, you'll find two squares that you need to measure with your ruler and make sure one is exactly 1 inch and the other one is 1 centimeter. If they are good, you can go ahead and print the rest of the pages. Otherwise, you need to go back and double check your printing adjustments. Now let's tape the pages together. For the first row of the pages, which is row A, you need to cut the lower right side corners. Make sure you're not cutting inside the borders. Now place the bigger number under the smaller number and line up the borders. And as you can see, the border for the bigger number is a little bit bolder and thicker, so you can easily see it under the other page. Line up the corners and tape. When you're taping, make sure tape over the pattern lines that we want to cut afterwards. With this method, you are covering some bits of the pattern, but as you can see, you can easily see the ink marking through the papers. This method saves you a lot of time. Now for the rest of the rows, you have to cut both the upper corner and the lower corners. You can sew a lot of stylish and practical clothing with these PDF patterns. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel to learn more. Now bring each upper row over the lower row, line up the borders, and tape. Now you're gonna end up with a full pattern. Warm up your fingers because it's time to cut. Go ahead and cut right on the lines for the pattern. I really hope this method helped you and saves you a lot of time. If sewing is your new hobby, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and make your own wardrobe with me.